Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see what is a dataset, and with an example I will explain you what is a dataset. Okay, so before that we'll see some small explanation on dataset. The dataset, which is an in-memory cache of data retrieved from a data source. See, in-memory cache is like the data set stores in our client machine. We can it consists of collection of data table, like we can even the relations also won't change when it saves in our data set. So let's see an example storing two or more tables in a data set and displaying them in the web page. Let's create a new website with C# coding. So I just need a data grid control to display the tables. So I'm just using a data grid or grid view. So let's see, we need I'm just taking three tables here: orders, menu one table, and login table. I'm just storing these three tables in our data set. So let's go and take some buttons. Like just change orders and menu one and login. Menu one. So when I click on other orders, this grid view retrieves the data from our data set menu login. Let's see with an example with the writing the code how I'm going. So use let's take the string here. So let's take a data set ds new data set. We just instantiate it, and what I'll do is I just use that here ed1 equal to new SQL, select star from orders. ds comma, let's take first table as 0, and grid view 1 dot data source equal to ds dot tables of which table we want? 0, right? So let's take 0, and grid view 1 dot data bind So at this time when I click on button 1, the orders table displays on our grid view. So when I click on main do 1, I need main do 1 to display main do 1. Okay, when I click on login, display login. So we need I'm just using this 1 1 and 2 2. So in this example, let's take 3 more buttons. I'm just using these buttons to retrieve orders. Let's see how I do that. I'm just using this thing here. Second time when I want to display that, I'm just using, see, I'm storing 3 tables, giving them a name like 0 1 2 names. You can give like orders, also orders, main do 1, login as a meaningful name. When let's build it, let's see, is there any errors? No. So let's run and see how it works now. So when I click on orders button, it should display the orders table first. Okay, when I click on menu, it displays our menu 1 table, login. See, when I click on this button, it should get menu table, not showing anything. So let's see what happens, what happened there. So if I put like it's static, I think it works. So let's see how it now with static data set. So when I click on orders, menu, login, I just saved 3 data sets and 3 tables in a data set. When I click on button, these buttons, see, after saving these 3, I'm using these buttons. See how they are coming. Okay, when I put static data set, it can access from the data set, can show here also in these buttons also. See, I'm storing as a 0 1 2. You can store any infinity, like depends upon the memory of your database, okay, or your data set. Okay, this is small example on data set, how you store a number of tables. You can name it and you can retrieve them as follows, as I shown in this video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.